There guys, this is Tech Nerd. So today I'm back with my YouTube channel, and today I'll be reviewing or viewing the specs of the newly launched Redmi Note 10 Pro. So let's get on with the video. Starting off the list of this Redmi Note 10 Pro with its camera. Well, the camera is obviously the best spec of this phone. It features a 108 megapixel quad camera setup. It has an ultra wide 8 megapixel camera along with 5 megapixel tele macro lens, which is used for macro photography and all. And additionally, a 2 megapixel depth sensor is provided. The front camera is 16 megapixel and is in display of the screen. Now let's move on to the processor. It comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor. 732G is an Cryo 470 octa-core processor, 64 bits, 8 nanometer process, and it goes up to 2.3 gigahertz max speed. Provided RAM is either 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4 RAM. So it's extremely powerful in terms of raw performance. It's very fast and helps in smooth computing. It also features the Qualcomm Adreno 618 GPU for immediate gaming. The phone does not feature 5G yet, but based on its price point, it's an immaculate deal. Let's move on to the display. So the display of the phone is 6.7-inch gigantic Full HD AMOLED screen, and it goes up to a peak brightness of 1200 nits. Well, that's extremely bright. So, and the best feature of this phone is its 120 Hz refresh rate screen. So the benefit of having it is its ultimate smooth input, like it makes your phone very smooth. The phone also comes with the latest Android 11 operating system, and based on the MiUI 11 of Xiaomi itself. The phone is extremely light, even thinner than the Redmi Note 9 Pro, and it can fit well within your pocket. So the battery of this phone is 5020 milliamp hour or mAh. So this battery lasts up to 10 hours on heavy usage. Phone comes with 33-watt fast charging adapter, and it goes from 0 to 60 within 40 minutes, and full charge is completed within an hour. So it's extremely fast in terms of charging. The screen is Gorilla Glass and protects from every possible damage to the interior of the phone. The back of the phone is glass paneled, so that it prevents fingerprint smudges. For the storage, it provides either 6 or 8 plus 128 GB of ROM. The largest available ROM is for Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So, and ROM is 128 GB UFS 2.2 flash storage, which is extremely fast, equivalent to a desktop SSD. Let's discuss about the network and connectivity of the phone. The phone has a Nano SIM Plus micro SD variation, which is a triple slot tray. The micro SD is expandable up to 512 GB. It supports 4G plus 4G or 3G or 2G variation, and it supports dual LTE connectivity. About the audio, it provides dual stereo speakers. Well, it also provides a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which is great. It comes very handy for me. And it also provides two microphones, which is the built-in microphone, and another one is the calling microphone. My final verdict, I would say that this phone is worth every penny spent, and it's truly a budget-oriented flagship smartphone, rather, I would say. So you guys can definitely opt for this smartphone. So that was all, guys, from me. Hope you guys liked the video, and I sincerely request you guys to subscribe my channel for further updates and reviews like this. So that was all, guys. Hope you had fun. Peace.